Okay guys, I got my clean seat in the car. I'm gonna show you guys over here. There's a keyway right here that's facing down, and on here there's also a keyway right here facing down. That needs to slide into there first. So usually you put it in like that. Very simple. Now you can't forget this part. This whole setup has to go in. So you go bolt, and it's got a Teflon washer through here, and then you got to go Teflon washer on this side, this white washer, and then this black space, black guy that holds it all together. Over tightened it. It's plastic. Oh, there it goes. Okay. Oof. Let me grab the other seat. Okay guys, so this thing's got the nub on this thing, this seat right here, this guy has to go in there. There's a little keyway, make sure it goes that way. Well, you can't really change it, so this guy flatten that way. This guy, you want to just try to get in here. There it goes. And then you got to flip this thing back over and you line up those 12s you got. One 12 there. Come on. Okay, I got the 12s in. There you go. Put these tabs back as so. And then these guys are your adjusters to bring it forward, bring them back. Okay, that's how you remove and replace these rear seats on the Forester, the upper section. Watch the video on how to remove and replace and reinstall the lower cushion, and then I showed you guys how to remove and replace and reinstall the upper cushion. And you don't have to take the bottom out to do the back, the upper. You can do the lower whenever and the upper whenever. You don't have to take one off to do the other. You can take them out with this first, then that, or vice versa, however you want to clean them. Or go through and pick up all your change and go buy yourself a candy or something. I don't know. Thanks for watching. Subscribe and give us some feedback on what else you guys like to see. Other brands, Hondas, Toyotas, we have access to everything, so give us a buzz.